More and more modern BMWs are now coming equipped with Remote Engine Start. This is a great new feature to allow you to cool down your vehicle remotely on hot days like today in the summer, or warm it up during the winter on cold, wet days. To do this, you first need to activate it in iDrive 7.0. From the iDrive home screen, press the car menu on the left-hand side, select Settings, scroll over to the right and choose Climate Control, then Preconditioning and Ventilation, Remote Engine Start, and then select Starting Engine for Climate Control. Go ahead and click OK, and the check sign should be checked. You are now set for Remote Engine Start, which can be activated in multiple different ways. The most popular way to activate Remote Engine Start is from the BMW Connected app. So open up the BMW Connected app, then choose Climatize Now. Since we have it activated, all you have to do is say confirm at the bottom. This will start your car and activate the climate control settings from the last time you were in it. Besides the app, you can use the key fob as well. Just press the Roundel lock button 3 times consecutively to start the engine. This will only work if the key fob is in range of your BMW.